let's do a top-down analysis for gold. So we begin. So first thing first, what I want to do is that I want to go to a day time frame. Then I want to see what is happening in the day. Like you can also use a 4 hours time frame depending on what you want. Okay, but I prefer using a daily time frame so I see what's happening. So I don't want this video to be too long. So first thing first is that I want to identify my resistance and support zone. So I can see that this trade is actually now having kind of valid point because like gold has been doing some kind of swing stuff like that. So yeah, so the first thing I do is that I want to identify this support here. um yeah, somewhere around, I've actually marked them, so I will just show you. So I want to identify the support somewhere around here. Yeah, I just expand this so you see what I'm doing. And then the resistance, obviously you can see here, like the highest point done around 521. Yeah, so I want to come down to a lower time frame, to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. I want to come down to a 4 hours time frame. So to a 4 hours time frame, just this way. So the first thing first I want to identify, or I want to do, is I want to check out the last move that gave us this breakout. Because if we check from the 1 hour time frame, sorry, the one day, we'll see that the price has been choppy. I think let me go back to there. I think one day, right? Yeah, or for 1 week. Let me say 1 week. 1 week we had a choppy market some kind. So yeah. So what I do is that now, yeah, so we had a choppy market around here. Now price wasn't able to break here. Price wasn't able to break here, but something happened. And finally, so we saw this first when price entered around 3369. We saw that price was just swinging high low, just inside a bus, and then we had a breakout. And then you know that how to trade choppy market is you trade it by breakout. And then but this did a fake breakout. You can see from 3763. Now price broke down and then like came down to around 31200, and it retested that zone, which was like a fake breakout from here. And then so it now did this whooping upside here. So now what we want to do is that we want to mark this point, that price. So this point, yeah, so price took up from there. And then so we've gotten that, yeah, the price was kind of moving here and then it went up to this place. So what we want to see is to check our valid entry, but there is no actual thing that this gold is showing right now. Gold is just been scattered, like, yeah, it's been kind of messy. So we'll go down to our 15 minutes time frame because we want to take our entry. We want to see our entry. So now if you look at this trade, you see that it actually, like, the overall 15 minutes has been kind of choppy. Like price is been trapped in between 3495 to 3211. So what we want to do now is want to see. So if we look here, when price broke out and did this retest and then it went up, and they currently here. Now price is somewhere here. Okay, so we can see that this is support. Okay, like this one you can see here is a support zone, and then we have the resistance over here, and then price broke up this support, which was meant to be like a continuous short. So for those that actually went short here, they should be, maybe if you didn't take your profit around 31419, you should be maybe like crying in your bedroom right now. But so that's why you should wait for a retest. You should wait for a retest whenever a breakout is done, especially when the market is chubby. Like you can see, like somewhere here, the market was chubby. So you should always do what? Expect a retest. Okay, you should always expect a retest when the market breakout. So now, after this breakout, it actually tried breaking to the top. Like buyers tried pushing up this market to the top, but it didn't work. So it came back, and now we can see a pull around there. So I was actually waiting for price to, yeah, for this candle to engulf this these candles here, and now this candle is now has engulfed this candle, and we can even see that around this place, around this 3348, that the price has broke um over there. So right now, what I will be waiting is for a confirmation to enter this market. So I will go down to a 5 minutes time frame. So in a 5 minutes time frame, what I want to do is that I want to see the next 5 minutes candle. Okay, you can want to see the first, like this candle now. Like I want to see it, like let it close below this point, okay, to give us a valid entry. Let it close below this point. Okay, so as we can see now, if another 5 minutes candle just opened, so I would wait for a confirmation to see that yes, we are continuing with the short. So that is how you get a good entry here, and then good. So hope you love it. Please give me a subscribe and share this video to like and comment. Which other crypto pair do you want me to analyze? So let's do this.